Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an Oppo Reno2 Z without any display. This is a first, so let's go put a screen on it. First thing we're gonna do is look around the device. The back cover looks brand new. The display is now missing. I think the client has already started the repair on their own, and you can see that the back cover easily comes off from the back. So that's gonna reduce our repair steps. We have already removed the back cover, the display already gone. So we're gonna unscrew the cover for the daughter board and attach a display on the connector. The connector is fortunately in a good shape, so we're just gonna plug it in, making our work fast. Try to turn this on, and I suspect this smartphone is already zero battery, so let's plug in a charger. Will it show us something? It does. That's the Oppo charging indicator. We have plugged in more powerful chargers, so we can move along. Now it's booting up and it starts. Let's try to log in and look at that cutie. So it's a good thing that we repaired this smartphone. The camera is popping in and out, which is good. And the wallpaper, very sublime, very good. So let's move on. Since the display is already gone, we can just clean it off and put our own liquid adhesive and install the new display. So if you have an Oppo Reno2 Z and you've already started the repair and unsuccessfully finished the repair, you can still visit us with your half-opened smartphone and we'll finish the job for you. Or if you're not keen on doing it on your own, we can do the entire job for you. And just like this one, it's gonna live on for a year or two. No need for you to buy a brand new smartphone. And Oppo smartphones are one of the easiest smartphones to fix, so we have abundant parts for it. Just let David know what you need, what part number to order. He's gonna source it for you, or if we already have it here in the shop, you can just walk in, have your smartphone fixed, wait for a bit, borrow a smartphone from David. He's got one lying around in case you need to check on something. And this is it. This is it. We're just gonna screw everything back in and put back the back cover. Look at that. There's some glue residue on the display. We're just gonna clean that up. And look at that. This Oppo Reno2 Z looks brand new. It's like nothing ever happened to it. So that's it. We're just gonna give it back to the client and clean it up a bit. And if you have any questions, guys, on the services that we offer here in the shop, we're just a humble small shop here in the Sydney CBD. If you're not from Australia or not from Sydney, you can just mail in your smartphone. You can get in touch with David. We also do mail and repair services, so if you're interested on that type of arrangement, you can certainly do so. And we'll install this. Look at that. Wallpapers on this smartphone is worth the hassle of fixing it. So it's a good thing that we fixed this smartphone. Don't you think? This is definitely not the tempered glass for this device, but it will certainly do the job. It's going to protect it for quite some time now. And like and subscribe, guys. See more cute stuff here in our channel. And if this video informed you or was entertaining to you, you can leave a comment down below. We'll read them all. And we're just gonna rubber band this thing till the glue dries up. So till next time, guys, we'll see you again. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.